Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Feel free to browse through the channel, learn my strategies, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis as well. The $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course we are on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This downtrend actually came to an end at this support zone. Okay, it came to an end right here, so it started an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow flag, it signifies an uptrend, and it gave us a single buy order right from here. You can see it bought it till it got to this region. There was no much pullback in between, so it was a smooth right to the end of the trend. Okay, and right from there it started a downtrend, and of course this is also going in the same direction. It gave us a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal around there. So you can imagine if you had come in around there, this will have given you lots and lots of profits right from there, and it is still selling. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So that's one of the opportunity of having a very good indicator. Okay, so this is boom 500. It started a downtrend right from this resistance, and you can see the red flag, it signifies a downtrend, and the red arrow, it had a little pullback around there but went down to break out below the support zone, and this is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It started a downtrend from here, but it came to an end at this support zone. Right now it has started an uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment. It is just starting, so it's going to buy for a very long time. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Started an uptrend right here, came to an end around there, but was unable to sell for a very long time, so it had a major pullback. Right now it is selling again. Once it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out. This is V75. It started a downtrend right from here, got to this region, had a little pullback, and of course went back there to break out below that support zone, and of course it is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time because it is very close to a major support zone. Okay, if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with. All you need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.